Hey guys, happy final Friday. It was really nice seeing you guys yesterday coming to the school. Me and Miss Backus were super excited to get to say goodbye to you in person for one more time, and this will be the final virtual video for the school year. We do have 2 more days next week, but I'm going to use those days to do more so review and more fun activities and not necessarily just assignments. So today will be the last full day of actual math work. So I did want to stop by and actually say my goodbyes again in case some of you guys weren't able to make it out yesterday to the school. I'm going to miss you guys. I'm going to miss all your stories, all the jokes we shared, especially your hugs, your smiles, and a lot of your out of the box thinking. I want to make sure you guys never stop trying, even when things get hard. Always ask questions and always want to be the best version of yourself. I was extremely lucky to be your teacher this year, and it is a little bittersweet that I'm saying goodbye virtually to some of you and that the year had to end this way. But one thing is for sure, I will never forget this group. I'll never forget this year. I don't think any of us will. And we will always have this memory to share and we'll always remember each other because this year was one for the books. So um, I enjoyed both classes so much. I'm always laughing with you guys. And I can't wait to see you guys in the hallways, hopefully next school year. And all these words, what I'm just basically trying to say is I really will miss you guys and I hope you guys have a good summer. And I will chime in Miss Backus because I know she'd want me to say that make sure you're doing some summer reading and having, but still have a good time. So, again, guys, if I already said bye yesterday, I'm saying it again. You still have Tuesday and Wednesday, but those will be a little more fun and relaxed. I will miss you guys so much, and this is my final video. Happy Friday. Bye, guys.